Assalamu Alaikum everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to tell you about the Hazrat Khadija bint Khalid Razi Allahu Anhu. She holds the distinguished place in Islamic history as the first wife of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam and the first person to accept Islam. Her life is a testament of immense faith, support, loyalty for our Prophet Muhammad during his early and the most challenging years of his prophethood. Hazrat Khadija was born in a very noble and a very wealthy family in Makkah, known for her intelligence, business acumen, and a virtuous character. She was a successful merchant overseeing the prosperous trade caravan business. Despite receiving a numerous marriage proposals from the wealthy men of Makkah, she remained unmarried after the death of her first two husbands until she met our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She first learned of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's honesty and integrity when she hired him to manage her trade caravan. Impressed by his abilities and character, she proposed marriage to him. Despite being 15 years of a senior, the marriage was marked by an immense and a very deep love and respect. Later, they had 6 children together, including Fatima Raziallahu Anhu, who would later play a very important and very significant role in Islamic history. Hazrat Khadija was the first person who believed in the message of Islam when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam received his first revelation from the angel Jibreel. At the time when message of Islam met with its first hostility and ridicule, her unwavering faith and support provided Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam immense strength. She comforts him during the initial shock of the first revelation and encourages him to carry forward the divine message. Her wealth was the instrumental in the early propagation of Islam. She used her resources to support the poor, free slaves, and to assist the early converts who were persecuted for their beliefs. Her home became a refuge for the early Muslims and offering them a place to gather and learn about their new faith. Hazrat Khadija Raziallahu Anhu was passed away in 619 CE, a year known as the year of sorrow, because shortly after her death, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lost his beloved uncle Hazrat Abu Talib Raziallahu Anhu. Her death deeply saddened the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He often spoke of her with great affection, respect throughout his life. He would frequently remember her kindness, her loyalty, and significant sacrifices she made for Islam. Hazrat Khadija's legacy continues to be remembered by our Muslims in all over the world. She is remembered not only as the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam beloved wife, but also as the powerful symbol of courage, devotion, and unwavering faith in the face of adversity. Seriously, I am really very inspired by her story and her life, and I really hope you also like this video and you also like the story and inspired by her. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more. Allah Hafiz. Bye.